Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a bubble braid. This is one of my favorite styles and I think it looks cute on any little girl. So to start off, the first thing you're going to do is create a small section ponytail at the front of your daughter's hair, and you're going to do a side part for this hairstyle. I'm going to put in a ponytail right underneath where I just put one in. So I'm just going to take a small slice of hair at a diagonal, making sure that I have a nice straight part line. So sometimes I have to do it more than once. And then I'm just going to brush that hair out, then place the ponytail that I had up top in, and then I'm going to put in a colorful elastic underneath. Once I wrap the ponytail around 3 times, I'm just going to gently tug at just the ponytail piece that I put in. And then I'm going to repeat those steps, just grabbing a small slice of hair, brushing it through, using water or spray gel to get any of those flyaways in place. And then I'll put my ponytail in and use another colorful elastic and then gently tug at the ponytail to make it look nice and give it that bubble look. I'm also using a rainbow effect on my elastics. If you need to purchase some elastics, I'll put a link below to where I purchase all of my elastics that I love. And I'm just going to keep going down, pulling up similar sized chunks of hair. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. We post at least 2 new tutorials each week on fun and easy hairstyles for school. Now, I love this style because it holds in place so well, and I think it lasts well if you're doing sports or just throughout school. It's a great hairstyle and it's really easy to do. So once I get down about here, I'm going to start angling at a diagonal. So you don't want the slices to go straight across. You're going to make like a little pizza slice going down at an angle. But then you want to make sure that you put your ponytail right underneath the one that you just put in, so that you're making kind of a nice curved line as you go around. And I always find that it's easier if I clip the ponytail out of the way to make my slices. And sometimes it takes me 2 or 3 times to put my part in till it looks the way I want. So don't be discouraged if you have to work on your part lines. Just take your time with it, because I think the part lines really help to make your style look nice and neat. So after I put in this ponytail, I'm now going to just add all of the remaining hair, and I'm just going to use a little bit of spray gel because I have a little piece of hair that my daughter decided to cut out. So we're having to smooth that down in our styles. And now I'm going to use a thick elastic and wrap the hair around and then just pull it halfway through to create a messy bun. And then I'll just place the rest of the hair around and bobby pin it in place. And I'm also putting a thick elastic around to hold it in place. And then I'll just add a cute bow, and that's it. This style is so super quick. If you like it, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.